Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook Reels loading and black screen problem? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's start. For fixing this problem, first of all, tap and hold on Facebook apps and then open Facebook app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now scroll down, tap on storage. Now clear cache your Facebook storage. Just tap on clear cache. Now press on back button, tap on force stop, tap on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen, open Play Store. Now tap on search app and search for Facebook. Now update your Facebook apps in latest version. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Facebook and check your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.